What if I told you can start making over $500 to $1,000 with your smartphone just by copying and pasting photos online for free? This strategy is very simple, and all you have to do is copy some pictures from the internet, combine them together and upload them to this very important website that I am going to show you in this video soon. Just imagine where you earn money every time you copy a photo and paste. You get paid real money here. Don't worry, you don't need any technical expertise or experience to do this. And as I already mentioned, this is a completely free money generating system. No need for any investment or fees to start earning money, and of course, this is available globally. However, you must follow and apply every step of the process that I will demonstrate in this video. Do not skip ahead or miss any crucial stage, because if you do, you run the risk of not earning any money at all. I will be back soon, so keep watching. Let's continue. Now, I want to introduce you to Kladio.com. This is an online video maker too. You can access this by searching Kladio.com on your laptops or computers. Now, I want you to look at the monthly estimated earnings. As you can see, over $1,500 up to $23,000 in just a single month. Make sure to keep watching the video as I will shock you guys with examples of the strategies you can do to earn money you see here in video. Next, I will show you how to make $5,000 or even more than $10,000 every month without any technical skills or experience or with cameras. You also don't have to do any selling or affiliate marketing. Finally, I will show you a thorough tutorial and demo so you can just copy exactly how I do everything. As always, I will cover every single detail in my instructions for this video. But before we move on, if you like making money online, rush now to hit the subscribe button below so that you'll be the first person to get notified by Roladel Business anytime we drop another interesting video like this. First, I want you to go to google.com and use the search button to look for the Harry Potter cast. I guess many of you have already heard of this well-known movie. So doing this, you will be able to find the entire cast and all of the actors and actresses who are in it. Now, it's crucial that you keep watching this video to learn everything I am going to do next, which is where we are going to look out for another keyword. This is the name of the first actor, Daniel Radcliffe. You should put his name and add the year 2010. After searching, Google will then display all of the actors' images dating back to the year 2010. So for instance, let's say that I want you to click on this high quality image and copy it or save it to my computer. You can also do this on your phone by simply saving the images or taking a screenshot of it. Now, after copying the photo from 2010, I want you to make it the latest photo of the actor just by changing the title from 2010 to 2022. By doing so, Google displays it as one of the latest pictures of the actor. So copy the photo that suits your taste or save it on your desktop. We are now going to step number 2. As soon as you've successfully copied both photographs, I want you to move on to the next website. Rebirth Corp, which is a free photo editor that lets you copy and modify pictures for free. Don't worry, you don't need any advanced technical knowledge to accomplish this. I will teach you how to do it right now. Now all you have to do is simply click this button right here to begin editing your photos, which will bring you to this page. As you can see here, you don't even need to download any software. You can use it on your browser, on a phone or computer. All you have to do is click this button to enable Flash, and then you can proceed to this page to begin uploading or pasting the pictures. By default, you have 4 columns where you can insert pictures. But since we are only using 2 photos, I want you to delete 2 of them by just clicking the close button here, and we can get rid of it. As you can see, there are now only 2 boxes to proceed to the next step. Click the upload button at the bottom where you can upload the 2 photos that we copied and uploaded earlier. The first image actually is Daniel in 2010. You can just click on that to open it. As you can see here at the bottom, you are going to start uploading, and right there is the photo that you successfully uploaded next. Drag this photo into the box on the left. Up until now, everything is still basic. Once you're done with that, we are going to upload the second photo. So, just repeat the same process after it's done uploading. Drag it to the second box on the right. Boom! We successfully copy and paste the photos in both columns. Now, we are able to do a comparison between 2010 and 2020 Daniel Radcliffe. So now, what you're going to do is look at the two bars, as you can see here, and then I want you to select that button that says text. This is where you can edit the text picture. So all you have to do is type 2010 and then select the font Arial, for example. Finally, you will click the add button. This is located just below that. The text will then appear and then we can drag it at the bottom. We can even change the color of the text. Just drag and point to the color you want to change it, and now you can add a new text that says 2020 for the second photo. Just repeat the process. But now you should type 2020, select the same font and drag it down the bottom. Change it to the color you want. It's also simple and easy. I want you to save the work you did by clicking the save button on top. Before we go any further, I would like to give you another time to subscribe to Roladel Business and give it a big thumbs up if you have liked this video so far. Alright, it is now time to get back to work and make some money. Now, let's go on to step number 3. Once you've made the photos, I want you to go back to the previous website, which is cleardior.com. Once you are there, scroll down below the home page and click on the video maker option. You will then be presented with a blue button, and as you can see below, where you may select a file. Click on it and choose the image that you edited and saved. It's going to start uploading and processing the image, and it's going to bring you to this page where you can combine different photos to make a video. Before we proceed, I want you to look at this example on YouTube. This is the Epic Time channel, and you can see that all of its videos have hundreds of thousands of views. You can actually see the similarities between what this channel and what we just did. All we did was to find all the latest photos of famous actors, in this case, Harry Potter actors. Combine and turn them into a video. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need a camera or any investments at all. Just by uploading these types of video on YouTube, you can make $1,000 up to $23,000 in a month. Looking at this channel, I can see some of these statistics, records and estimated earnings. It shows this channel earns $1,500 up to $23,000 every month. Now, I want you to check on this channel top record. As you scroll down below, you can see that what they are doing is exactly the same. As I scroll down below, you can see that they are doing exactly the same thing, comparing some well-known celebrities as YouTube video content. This means you don't need to receive any hundreds of thousands of views. 3,000 to 5,000 views is enough, because when we look at this channel estimated monthly earnings, it shows that it's earning $2,600 in some month just by doing what we did earlier. I want you to look at this example right now. This channel is just combining the two images of the actor from before and after. They just keep doing this until they have 20 to 30 photos comparisons. Now, as for the last part, I want you to go back to the website and you can see that you can add up photos to make a full video. You can do the same process for the other actors of the Harry Potter movie. For example, Emma Watson. Search for her 2010 and 2020 photos and edit another comparison picture added on your current video that you're editing in Claudio. You can do a full comparison video with the whole cast or with just send actors. It's up to you. To make your videos more entertaining, you can add some background music and do that. Just search the YouTube audio library and click on the first link that's going to appear. This website contains all the copyright-free audio that you can use for your video. All you have to do is find a suitable one for your video. Click on the button right here to download it. This is how people used to generate thousands of dollars every month, and I am happy to share it with you guys. As you can see, a while ago I showed you an estimated earnings of YouTube channels who use the same strategy. All you have to do is follow what I showed you, and you can earn the same results on YouTube. Well, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Roladel Business, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.